Hi there, in this video we're going to check out the 5 best models for you. Now, we made this list based on our personal opinion after doing hours of research and ranked them based on their quality, features, and all other important facts. So if you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Now let's start the video.
In this video, we'll show the 5 best mechanical keyboards for Mac on the market that will help you to choose the best one for your Mac. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular, Logitech MX Keys Advanced Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. If you prefer something cheaper, then check out this Logitech MX Keys. It's not a dedicated Apple keyboard, it's the Apple Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and numeric keypad, so you don't get features like Touch ID. However, all keys work on Mac OS and you can wirelessly pair multiple devices at once over Bluetooth, while you can only pair one device at a time with the Apple keyboard. It has white backlighting, making it a good choice for dark rooms. You can reprogram some function keys to a present list of commands through the Logitech Options software. Number 2. Annie Pro 2 60% Mechanical Keyboard. The Obenslab Annie Pro 2 is the best Mac mechanical keyboard. Its 60% form factor is great if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard to bring around with you on the go, or if you have a small workstation. It connects wirelessly with up to 4 devices by Bluetooth, so it's a great choice if you have a multiple device setup with an iPad or MacBook. It comes with companion software that's fully compatible with Mac OS, so you can use the software to reprogram keys, assign macros, or customize the RGB backlighting. Number 3. Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. If you tend to spend long hours at the computer and want something comfortable, the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless split keyboard is the best wireless keyboard for Mac with an ergonomic design. The wave-like design splits the keys down the middle, so you have a cluster for each hand. While this may take some getting used to, it's intended to ease any discomfort in your wrists. This keyboard is also compatible with Logitech Options software, which is available on Mac, meaning you can do a bit of customization like programming keys to a preset list of functions. Number 4. Apple Magic Keyboard. If you're looking for a tried and true keyboard to use with a Mac Office setup, then the best wireless keyboard for Mac is the Apple Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and numeric keypad. It's Apple's latest release of their well-known Magic Keyboard and is available in both a full-size variant. As this is an Apple keyboard, it's fully compatible with Mac OS. It has the new Touch ID button at the top right, which works with M1 Mac computers so that it's easier for you to unlock your PC, but the Touch ID button doesn't work with any other Mac. Number 5. Keychron K10 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Keychron K10 has a Mac OS mode for full compatibility with Mac systems, so every key works as intended. This keyboard is full size, so it has a row of function keys and a numpad. But Keychron makes very similar models available in several sizes, like the TKL Keychron K8 or the compact 75% Keychron K2. Additionally, you can also get the board with your choice of Gateron red, brown, or blue switches. The brown switches on our unit feels light to press and are quiet, great if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard for an office space.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future.